unrecognizable na yung motion ngayon dahil sa modification ni Cayetano.
Mr. President, Mr. Presiding Officer, just a short manifestation. With all due respect to the presiding officer, may this humble representation request the presiding officer to refer this motion as motion of Senator Bato de la Rosa as amended by Senator Cayetano, because the way you said it, Mr. President, this is the proposal of Senator Cayetano only. I am already forgotten. So I just would like to manifest that, please don't forget me, Mr. President.
Noted and entered into the records.
Agaran rin namang dinefer o pinagpaliban ng House of Representatives ang pagtanggap at pagsagot ng niremand o nireturn ng articles of impeachment dahil may clarification pang hinihingi ang mga prosecutors. Kaya malamang sa malamang talagang sa 20th Congress na yan. Pero bakit nga ba gusto nila Coco Pimentel and Risa Ontiveros to start the process? Hindi lang dahil kasi fourth week blah 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 blah. Dahil merong question kung meron bang jurisdiction, meron bang duty, meron bang responsibility ang 20th Congress na ituloy ang impeachment proceeding na inumpisahan sa 19th Congress. This motion to return / remand / pseudo reject the impeachment papers back to the House of Representatives is said to allow the House of Representatives to affirm na wala silang nilabag at malalabag na konstitusyon when the trial starts once again. Kahit nasa Pimentel versus Joint Committee